Do you want to see what came in this month's senior stock box? Well, keep watching because I'm going to show you exactly what showed up today. And be sure to stay to the end because I'm going to show you how you can get your own. And if you're not a senior citizen and you're in need of food, stay tuned because they may have a deal for you too. Hi, my name is Carol and the name of my channel is Broke but Bountifully Blessed. My channel is all about how I survive on Social Security, and I have all sorts of frugal tips. Whether it's cooking a frugal meal, or growing things inside or out, or downloading an app that can earn you some gift cards, whether you're playing games, saving your grocery receipts, or even just walking your dog, you could be earning gift cards. And even if you're younger and not a senior, most of these things are available to everybody. So every month, the Hunger Task Force brings me a box of food like this. So if you're a frugal senior or any budget conscious person, you'll want to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell so YouTube can notify you every time I save another money saving tip. Today I'm opening my senior stock box and showing you everything that came in it. Okay, so I got my free government cheese, which I never eat because it contains milk. And let's see if I can rip this box open without a knife. Looks good. Ooh, I think I see something yummy. Yeah, chili. Okay, we've got the chili with beans. Not my favorite, but I'll use it. This I like. Although I'm vegan, I sometimes will eat meat. Oh, we haven't got mashed potatoes in a while, but they've been adding up. So I still had plenty, so that's good. Now I hope they bring raisins back. And they brought me more rice, 2 more pounds of rice. I can use that. So let's see, what do we got for beans? Vegetarian beans. Well, if I rinse the sauce off, I don't like the sauce. They're pretty good. And I think I might try these for hot dogs sometime. I have in the past and they've been good. We got 2 cans of peas. That always comes in handy. Ooh, sliced carrots. I use this in my vegan cheese. Let's see how many cans. Oh, we got 2 cans of sliced carrots. It's usually 2 cans of each, but sometimes lately they've been having more. Mixed fruit, light mixed fruit in light syrup. So this has some sugar in. But you know, if I top a little bit on top of my yogurt that I've been making, it'll be pretty good. 2 cans of veggie soup. If you puree that and make it into a sauce, it's pretty good. Oh, another can of the fruit. That comes in handy. And we've got a jar of peanut butter. There's too much sugar in this apple juice, so I won't be using that. I'll pass that to the food bank. And I have 2 containers of shelf-stable milk. Crispy rice. This is gluten-free. And since I don't eat sugar, I haven't been eating cereal, but this makes really good breading. And I just add seasoning and Tostitos. This is not gluten-free, so I'll pass that on. So that's it. What do you think? Pretty good haul if you ask me. So here's everything. Now I promised you if you want to get your own, go to the link that you see up above and sign up. Many thanks to the Hunger Task Force for bringing this to me. This will be great. I'll probably be eating off of this for a good 2 weeks, actually.